In today's class, we learn menus and common dialog control. Menus and common dialog control. Okay. One of the applications of Visual Basic is menu design programming. One of the applications of the Visual Basic is menu design programming. So, what is menu? A menu is a list of options available on the menu bar. When you click on menu, it shows a list of options. Generally, we see in these menus in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, in all applications. Okay, so menus offer a convenient way to group commands and to access them. Menus are created on form using the menu editor. Okay, so the menus offer a convenient way. Menus provides a better or convenient flexible way to group the commands and to access them. Menus are created on the form using the menu editor. Okay, so using this menu editor, we can create menus. Menu bar appears immediately below the title bar on the form. Okay, menu bar appears below the title bar on the form. When the user clicks a menu, it shows a list of menu items drop down. When we click on the menu, it shows a list of menu items. So the menu design programming is one of the application of Visual Basic. The menus are the convenient way to group the commands and to access them. So with using this menu editor option, we can create menus in Visual Basic. Okay, the menu bar appears immediately below the title bar. Okay, so in VB, menus are created using menu editor or menu design window. So menu design window can be used to create new menus, menu bars, adding menus to the existing menus, changing or deleting the menu or menu items. Okay, so how to open this menu editor? Choose menu editor from the tools menu. It is available under the tools menu. In the tools menu, click on menu editor icon. Okay, or click on the menu editor icon on the standard toolbar. We can open this menu editor from the tools menu, or we can simply on the standard toolbar menu editor icon appears. Simply click on this menu editor icon. Okay, so this is the menu design window. When we click on this menu editor, so it displays a menu editor window. Okay, so these are the options: caption, name, index, okay, cancel button, shortcut keys. Okay, so these are the arrow keys: up down arrow keys, left to right to up to down, next to insert and delete button. Okay, I will explain one by one this. Okay, so the first one is the name. This is the name of the menu item. This option is used to give name to the menu item, to access it, to write a code. The next one is caption. So this is the text appears on the applications of menu bar. It means file, just like we see the menu, file menu, in that open, save. Those are all the captions that appears as a text on the menu, right? So then next, shortcut keys runs a menu item immediately when pressed it. Okay, so shortcut keys runs a menu item immediately when we press it. We can access the menus using shortcut keys by using the keyboard also. When we press the corresponding shortcut key, the menu items or menu bar and menu items will be activated. Okay, so with the help of this shortcut option, we can create shortcut keys, right? Then next, checked option. It sets a value that determines whether a check mark is added. Okay, check mark is added next to the menu item. Then next, enabled property. So we already know what is the use of this enabled property. If you want to make a menu item as inactive, then we can give enabled as false. Okay, the same way, visible property used to make menu item visible or invisible. If you want to make any menu item invisible, simply you can give visible property as false. Okay, the left and right arrow buttons are used to create menu items. menus and menu items. Okay, these buttons are used to create these four buttons, 1 2 3 4, left, right, top and bottom buttons. These four buttons are used to create menu items. Okay, so the next important is next. Okay, it is a button used to create another menu control. So if you want to create a menu control one after another, using this next button we can create one by one menu. Then next, insert. If you want to insert a menu item in between the menu controls, existing control, this button we can insert a menu in between our existing menu controls. And delete is used to delete an item from the list. Okay, so OK is used to close the menu editor after saving. Okay, and the cancel is used to cancel the or closing the editor without saving. Okay, so this is about the menu design window and the options of the menu design window. Now I will show you by opening this Visual Basic application. Okay, start and VB 6.0. so open, and this one. So where is this is the title bar. This is also a menu bar. Like this menu bar we can create here also to our form. We can create a menu to our form. So how to create this menu? With the help of menu editor or menu design window. Menu editor or menu design window is available on the tools menu. Okay, so here this is called menu editor. Okay, this icon is also appears on standard toolbar. So simply by clicking here also we can get the menu editor. Okay, we can open the menu editor, or else by clicking tools menu editor also we can open, or else by clicking this Ctrl plus E shortcut key through keyboard also we can activate or we can open this menu editor, right? So this is the menu editor. What is the use of this menu editor? Menu editor is used to create menus and menu items. Okay, so with the help of this menu editor we can create menu bar with a list of options. The menus are the flexible way or convenient way to access a list of options under one menu item or as a group. Okay, this is the caption. Caption means it appears here. It appears like file, edit, view. So name is to access the menu item to write the code. So index to move on. Okay, right, then shortcut is a shortcut key. Simply here we can select a shortcut key like Control E. Here if you I'm cancelling this one, these are all the shortcut keys. Control plus R shortcut, like that also we can create with the help of this shortcut key. Okay, then next, and these are all the left arrow, right arrow, top and bottom arrows. These four are used to create menus one by one. And the next button, after creating menus and click on the next menu will be created. If you want to insert a menu in between menus, then we have to use insert button. If you want to delete a menu, you have to use this delete button. So after completion of this creating menu, click on OK. So click on OK, a menu is created and appears on the below of this title bar. Okay, right, thank you.